Alright, so in the last part of the tutorial I'm going to show you how we can upload this great website to a web server. And you can either do this by clicking on publish and going and creating a Business Catalyst account and all that, but that expires after a year and will also expire as soon as Muse is not as soon as Muse becomes subscription, which will be like really not very long in the future. So what I'm going to do instead is host with either 000 web host, which has very stable servers, limited amount of content is 1500 megabytes, and you can have unlimited of their subdomains. Or if you need space but you don't need many domains, you can go to X10 hosting, where the reliability of the servers really depends on which one you get. I found that Starker is very reliable compared to Boru, but doesn't matter. So I'm going to be doing my one with 000 web host because I don't need very much space, but I'm using the Darkhouse one with X10 because I'm going to have all kinds of videos uploaded there which take up space. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to export our website. So let's go File, Export as HTML, or Control E. So on the first time you export, you're going to want to check this Export All, including unchanged, and we're going to select a directory, Alex, sites, Alex F website, and now we're going to use this export folder that I created ages ago. So let's press OK and press export. You can expect Muse to become unresponsive while it's doing this because it's a massive task, because it takes all the images that you inputted, applies any changes that you made in Muse, and well, that was quick, and then re-exports the images. So if you crop something, it will make a new image out of that, and there's a new CSS style for every single page. Whoa, we don't want to see that. Let's use Firefox. I really shouldn't have Facebook as my homepage when I'm recording tutorials. Anyway, why does Firefox take so long? It's because I'm rendering the last one, which is going really slowly. Yeah, anyway. Okay. There we go. Right. Let's go wherever we saved it. So C drive. Users. Alex. Sites. Alex F. Website. Export. Index.html. Hopefully that worked. Yep, okay. Ignore the little pop-up because that only happened on the local server. Okay, so now we have the Twitter feed, have the welcome sample text, etc. Go to portfolio. This is something I changed recently. This is what it should have looked like. When it loads, there we go. So we've got the hacker, 2010 showreel, rats, hostages, corpse and the crucifix, and nerf death, which is coming soon. So, you may have noticed that this is spilled down the second line, which is extremely annoying. But what we can do is come to the A master, just make that as wide as it will go, and hopefully when we go File, Export as HTML, we uncheck Export All that haven't been affected, and press Export again. Okay, so now hopefully we can refresh. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so now we've done all of this, I'm going to upload it to my web server. So you can either go to, ignore that again, you can either go to 000webhost.com and go order now. You can get free hosting for nothing, 15 megabytes, 100 gigabytes, blah blah blah. I've already talked about this. They make it look like it doesn't have anything, but it does. Like, it has PHP, so, and password protected directories and lots of stuff. So either go sign up there or go to x10hosting.com and sign up in their section up, free hosting up here. And the subdomains they offer is .x10.mx, .x10.biz, PCWrite, and Element Effect. And this is where I host my URL shortener, drop.x10.bz. It's a custom URL shortener that I made myself using tutorials from PHP Academy, so you can just paste in press shorten and you get this and you copy it, paste it. You go to Google, and if you paste it in here and press shorten, there's already a dropout. Ooh, crazy. Okay, so we have that, and so I'm going to go for 000 web host. So now what I'm going to do is open FileZilla, which is a free upload, which is a free FTP client, which you can download for free if you didn't already get that. I'm going to click bought. Okay, so you either enter your host, which will be whatever your subdomain is, so alexf.netty.net or dropl.x10.bz. Username is, if you go with 000 web host, the username will be like A and then a string of numbers. Password is whatever you had it as. But if you go to X10 hosting, you choose the password. Not password, username. Anyway, so I've connected, and now I'm going to go to, where are we? Somewhere. Sites, export. Yeah. Okay. So you can see we have the full pages, a manifest, some scripts, lots and lots of scripts, images, lots and lots and lots and lots of images. We have like loads, and then CSS, we have one for each page, and then some other ones. So let's just select all of this and drag it over. So it's going to go queued files 108 for a full page website. Anyway, so while this is transferring, I will show you my secret script. Here we go. This may look extremely confusing to you. This shouldn't be here at the moment. However, I'll explain to you what it does. Basically, if you wanted to go to the contact page by typing it into the URL bar, you'd have to type alexf.net/contact.html. This script allows you to get rid of the .html, so just /contact, press enter, and then you get to this page. So, how will you use this? Well, what you do is, this will be in a link in the description again, and just copy it and make a new file. And this is going to be a weird kind of file, so just paste it. It's going to be, so it's just, yeah, okay, so copy it, paste. And this doesn't have, unlike most websites, this is not a file like picture.png. This is a nothing.htaccess file, which is here. It just has a dot, which means it's hidden. So we're going to come into export, and save it as a .htaccess. Okay, so now we're simply going to refresh this. See, we've got the .htaccess. If we now go to my, not Chrome again, there's Chrome, go away. Okay, now if we go to alexf.netty.net, you can see we get this website, which is pretty awesome, and it's online. However, when we click photos, you see we have to go to photos.html. We're going to get rid of that, so what we need to do, so now that I save that out, is drag the htaccess onto the server. Okay, and now we refresh, it gets rid of the HTML. So now we can go to, now you can give out cleaner URLs to people, so just like /contact, and it works. So it's loading my contact page, hopefully. See, it's still loading up here. Just come back to home. Okay, for some reason that error is carried on. Muse.js cert error calling. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Got all your nice pages. I advise you to make as many template pages as you possibly can before the coming of the subscription. So thank you very much for watching this series of tutorials. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and also follow us on Twitter, and I'll see you next time.